In this video, I'll show you how to log in to Google Workspace account. So to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and visit accounts.google.com into your Google Chrome browser. Now in here, you just need to enter your Google Workspace email address and then click on next. So in this section, you need to enter your Google Workspace email address that you use for your organization. And then click on that next button. Now in here, you need to enter your password. So make sure that you enter the correct password before you proceed. So click on next. And then once you're in, if you have two-step verification enabled, you need to confirm your sign in into the device where your Google Workspace account is currently signed in, and then you're into your Google Workspace account, and that is how you can basically log into Google Workspace account.